Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have Photoshop open. Now act. Unlock the background layer and make a duplicate for non-destructive edits. Once done, add a layer mask to the duplicate so your fade is editable. Next, select the gradient tool and pick the black to white preset. Black hides, white reveals. Make sure the mask is active, not the pixel layer, then position your cursor at the starting point where you want full opacity. Click and drag toward the area you want to fade out, releasing to apply the gradient. Once the initial gradient is in place, evaluate the transition. You can redo the drag until the fade looks natural. If you need a straight directional fade, hold Shift while dragging to constrain the angle. To fine-tune, paint on the layer mask with a soft, low-opacity black or white brush. That lets you increase or reduce transparency precisely. For complex areas, use several short gradients or gradient stops, because multiple passes give finer control than one long pull. Finish by reviewing the whole composition and toggling the mask to see before and after. If the fade edge is too hard, select the mask and apply a small Gaussian blur. 1 to 5 pixels often softens it nicely. Make sure to save a PSD so the mask remains editable. Export a flattened file only when you're done. If something goes wrong, undo with CMD/Control+Z, or simply paint on the mask with black or white to correct specific areas quickly, because masks are forgiving by design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.